Imagine your own space. A space made with sustainable materials. Combining the latest technology with the passion of experienced hands. Imagine being able to isolate yourself from our noisy world and enter the silence
of nature.
Create conditions to work safely from home, close to those who love you. Made with the finest of recycled materials, with multiple configuration options to suit your needs. A space that is not limited in size. A space engineered and manufactured to offer you
interior
comfort, no matter if you use it at the studio or home.
for clubs, hotels, restaurants, offices.
For musicians, express yourself without limits, in sync with nature. Well, this place has a name.
3D interior.
If you have a complaint, I suggest you submit it through our email system. I would be happy to refer you to our website.